Code. Let's see. Not too much smoke yet, eh?
Nope.
Let's see what happens. We may have to rev it. It may be when we rev it, but let's get some gas real quick because we added a lot of it to the gas. And hey, maybe the engine was that clean. Maybe she didn't need it.
Maybe.
Maybe. Or it just hasn't happened yet. I have a feeling something is bound to.
There's gonna be a surprise.
Yeah. I think it just needs to, we need to get on the gas. We'll find out. Oh, it's misfiring, you see?
Oh,
yeah.
Oh,
there we go.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Oh my God. That's a lot of smoke. Yeah, as soon as we get on the gas a bit, we're leaving tons and tons of smoke. Check out the sunroof. You can try the... it's, you know... Alright, let's see what happens now. I think it's actually going to smoke when we rev it up. When we actually get up to a decent speed. Plus sport mode. We'll get into that. But I guess I should explain my methodology for it all. Because really it popped two codes, the P0171, P0174, they're both like lean running codes. And also, one time when it was low on gas, it actually threw a misfire, and it was saying that it was misfiring due to low gas. So I'm pretty sure this thing, for sitting for so long, the fuel filter definitely needs to be replaced, so I'll do that for sure. And yeah, the injectors probably are a bit dirty. And that's kind of it, really. Well, the spark plugs, I never changed the spark plugs, so we'll definitely have to do that. But until then, we can at least do a little mini tune-up with the SeaFoam, and I think it will help. But yeah, we have to get on the road. We'll try back again in a couple of minutes when we get out of town, very inconspicuously, and then put it in sport mode and rev it a bit and see what happens here. Because I think the SeaFoam does well. It's never done me wrong. It's always worked out well. You know? The police glasses. I just realized I'm wearing police glasses. It says police. See?
Oh, it does say police.
These are my glasses. These are the car's glasses. Trixi. Officially Trixi, right? 330xi. It makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Not crazy to say, like, that is the name for this car. It's got to be Trixi.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Exactly.
And we'll see. We actually got all the parts, eh? I have everything at this point. Well, look at that. There's a police officer right there. What's he doing?
Probably nothing.
Dancing.
What does he see back there?
I don't know what he's guarding us against.
I think he's just making sure nobody's around so he can take a leak behind those bushes. At the LCBO.
Towards the main road though.
Yeah.
Nobody in the front of the store will see. Okay, here, let's get out of town. We're almost there. We need 2 more turns to get out of here.
Get out of Dodge.
Yeah, get the hell out of Dodge. Oh, towards Blue Mountain Dam. Oh, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be good.
I'm just gonna take a video of what is annoying, and oh, that was perfect. Right there, you see it. It's literally...
Don't worry about it. It's not in the driver's line of sight.
No, it's in my line of sight, but the sun's reflecting ever so perfectly right off of that crack.
It won't be in like 3 seconds.
Yeah, let's
You'll
drive.
be fine in 3 seconds.
Right, I won't have sun reflecting. I'll just have a regular thing that's makes me want to cut my eye out.
Which one?
The bad one.
The infected one.
Yeah. Blackberry. Like, how is this thing around still?
Yeah, I guess they're still alive.
Somebody, yeah. Oh, probably a tax write-off.
Alright, let's see here. So, I mean, this has always worked in the past. Maybe the engine is that clean, right? It could be that clean. So let's go over this hill, try to rev it up a bit, and see if we get anything out of it. Because really, I don't see anything. You know, it might actually be that clean, because that's full-on bolted red line. And she's good. Excellent. Yeah, maybe that's all it was. I mean, we'll definitely, like I said, we'll change the fuel filter, spark plugs, that type of stuff when I actually get to it. But really, I was expecting some smoke and there's nothing there.
No.
She runs pretty well. Deal, done. Blue Mountain it is, let's go.
That castle.
I guess that's it.
Spark plugs, all good.
Yeah, it'll be good. Yeah, we're good.
All right.
You're gonna make it. He's gonna make it. Stop! Stop! Yes! Let's finish this thing. I farted into this thing a bunch of times. It's been 2 days and about 400 kilometers probably since Trixi the 330's SeaFoaming there. So let's do a little update before I get out of the way so we can get onto some summer things here. And by the way, if you're wondering why the rims are mismatched, it's because I did a little experiment last night that put on the summers in the rear to confirm where the vibration was coming from that I was feeling in the steering. And yeah, the front seem okay. I'll confirm everything today after I put everything back on and see if it all goes away, but it kind of did. But would you be surprised that the vibration I was feeling was from the bent rim in the rear? So we'll check them all again, balance them, and finally get this thing fixed since MTO has been useless. But anyhow, oh, by the way, another nice little surprise seeing it in the light this morning was this little guy. That was fun, but before there was a crisis, I checked the pressures and we're good. Nothing actually happened. But yeah, anyway, the SeaFoaming. So this thing, let me get the key. This thing threw P0174 and P0171, and it was saying it was running lean, and then one time when it had low fuel in the thing, it actually was complaining about that, and it actually had a misfire, and it said it was a misfire due to low fuel. So I checked the vacuum lines, I actually found a little intake boot leak, which I patched with some silicone, and added SeaFoam then through the vacuum lines, through the brake booster hose, and then through the gas. I put a bunch of it in the gas, and since then it's actually been running like a freight train. It's fantastic. In fact, I like it so much that even on Cowie in the back there, being that it's got about 53,000 kilometers on it now, I'll do the same to it. And same with the 325 here, I could use the same thing, but well, did a whole different number on that one. You know, when they say stupidity hurts, I pulled a good one on that one, but we'll get into that one later. But yeah, this thing runs like a freight train. It's fantastic. The response is better. Hesitation is gone. There wasn't much to begin with, but yeah, the engine was actually pretty clean. Turns out really the problem was just from the fuel. So we'll take care of the fuel filter soon enough, but yeah, freight train, on we go.